Driving with 60BaeGrey, no cap. Driving with 60BaeGrey, no cap. Hey guys, it's 60BaeGrey, the real deal, no cap, man. What's going on, man? 60BaeGrey, the real deal. 60BaeGrey, the real deal, no cap. Hey, we out here. It's a nice day today. The sun is out. Guess what? Fun is out. Sun is out. Fun is out. Hey, what now? We driving down the road. Driving with 60BaeGrey. Let me take the seatbelt off. You feel me? Okay. All right. Let me take my. Gotta be safe. Even though I'm taking the hands on the steering wheel. Driving 60BaeGrey. No cap. Okay. Got that white drip on. Got the drip with the watch. It's Superman. Got my Batman watch. Got my Superman watch. No cap. Hey, oh man, this is gonna be a good video, man. I got the car, got my 2023 C8 HTC Z51 package, back, you know what I'm saying? And right now, we're almost at 500 miles, right? I'm getting ready to show y'all the dash in a second. I'm filming with my phone. Oh shoot, the police out here, don't care. See the police right there? Okay, what they got? Let me slow down. You feel me? Okay. All right, they got that little jet clamping. They got that little jet clamping over there. Where you going, boy? I'm going to Beverly Hills. Well, you're a long way from Beverly Hills, player. All right, so we're at 495 miles. Now, the reason I'm making this video is that because there's a governor on the engine, and the governor is released at 500 miles, like 501. Okay. And right now, the amount of RPMs that the governor has restricted it to is 4.5. All right, so 4.5. So, so now where we're at is once it reaches 500, the governor comes off, and we're going to see what happens. How many, where are the RPMs going to go to? So I'm actually driving. We actually vibing. We actually riding. 60BaeGrey, the real drip. Hey, comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hey guys, if the post notifications white, that's not right. All right, post notifications black. It's supposed to be like that. No cap. Look, post notification. When you hit subscribe, look to the right. You're gonna see there's a bell, and if that bell is white, come on, guys. If it's that color, that ain't right. Okay. If now. Touch the notification bell, just touch it. And when it turns black, or if it turns in an extreme dark gray color, it's supposed to be like that. No cap. All right. So I only have 496 miles now on the car. I feel like this is, a new year. We're counting down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And so at the end of the day, what we're going to do is, we have 3 more miles to go. I'm getting ready to show you the dash, and I'm going to take it off the mount that I have here, because I do have a camera that I purchased. I'm going to stop filming with my camera as much. I probably film 10% of the time, but now I got to learn how to use the camera. Okay, but anyway, I digress. So the governor actually restricts the car from going a certain amount of speed, all right? So I can't go as fast with the governor on, and once it reaches 500, it's released. That means I can go faster. So the reason being is they want to make sure that you break in the car, make sure that all the things are going on with it is operating. And let's see here, as you can see here, but I can't even see. It is at 498 miles. I'm headed to my son's house, and so it's a nice little vibe. And let's see what we're looking at. Look at this. Nice little vibe. You feel me? Nice little vibe. Look at that. Look. Okay. Yeah, man. So my son is like in the country, suburban country, if there's a such thing as a suburban country.
What?
So we're at 499 miles. 499 miles on the road. 499 miles. 499 miles on the wall. One more mile to go. Oh! There, and you can see right there at the red. The red is at 4. You see where the 4 is, and then the red stops at 4.5. So we're gonna see here we're at 499. All right, and we're gonna see what happens. Normally, well, not normally. I've watched other people's videos. In other people's videos, you see the governor comes off like right around 401. 501 miles.
Yeah, boy.
So, okay, guys, we're at 500 miles, and I don't know if I have to stop the car or restart it, but we're gonna keep riding and see what happens. Okay. The governor came on. Oh my God. Okay. We had 111. No cap. Okay. All right. Excuse me. It's all that excitement getting clogged up, though. So the governor came off, and it took us down to 6.5. All right. So the RPMs can get up to 6.5. Okay. Y'all liking that? Hey, you driving 60BaeGrey, the real Chip. So, yeah, boy, the Chip just got faster. No cap, the Chip just got faster. Hey, we're cap. All right, let's go. Whoa. Okay, there's a car in front of us. Need to slow down a little bit. Okay. Whoa. Okay, dang. Listen, okay. No cap. Listen, man. This governor, man, is the real deal, man. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna cap, right? The car was fast, but I wasn't feeling it. I wasn't feeling it. So all you Corvette owners in there that just got your car, and you know you waiting for the 500-mile hit. Oh, you're gonna be surprised, man. You're gonna be surprised. No cap. I thought it was weak, right? With the governor on, you know, you have some power, but not the type of power that you would expect in this car. It has 490 horsepower, right? So the most you can do is you can be dainty and you can be gentle with it. At least that's what she said. Be dainty and gentle with it. Okay. All right. So anyway, yeah, boy. No. Listen, man. Right here, right there. All that dash is gonna be lit up like it was before. It's gonna be lit up. So we out here driving, trying to get around this bend here, get over to my son's house. So anyway, he's not just that I like where he lives is an hour away, and you saw the scenic route. You see able to see all the open road, and let get on the open road. Sometimes I don't even like music. I like quiet, right? We just driving, right? You driving 60BaeGrey, don't care. So anyway, I'm gonna put the camera back down, and you know, because I'm holding and driving at the same time. I got a lot of twists and turns. So let me see if I can put the camera back without stopping it. All right, yeah, the camera, my hand got in the way and the camera stopped. Okay, so, man, there you have it, 502 miles, 60BaeGrey, the real Chip. Boy, I tried to tell you, Now this car is real drippy. All right, and if you don't understand what drip is, man, I did a video. You got to go back and watch it. I talked about the Urban Dictionary. Talked about trying to put you on, help you understand this verbs, the verbiage that I'm using. The real drip, no cap. All right. So let me summarize this so we can go ahead and go. We reached 500 miles. Before the 500 miles, we were at 4.5 RPMs, and that was slow. I ain't gonna lie, that was slow. It wasn't the 4.5. I get it. It's for protection for yourself and protection of the vehicle. So to make sure all the vehicle parts get broken in, the engine gets broken in, and the transmission. And I know it's necessary. But I can tell you, the 500 mile mark is like a trailer to a movie. It's like a precursor. Because now once we reached the 500 miles, you saw I opened it up. No cap. Hey, this is the real trip. Listen. I don't know, man, bro. Let me just pull over here because I'm in my son's neighborhood. No cap. Listen, man. I am thoroughly impressed. I am flabbergasted. This joint got some pickup. It got some kick to it. It got some horses. Matter of fact, I ain't gonna lie. It felt like there's about 600 horses in there. Y'all saw where I went. I was going from like 70. I went up to what I saw was 111, right? But you go back, and I'm sure it was probably more than that. But anyway, tell me what y'all think, man. Man, just that experience of going with the ride with me, man, that was awesome. Now, but here's the awesome part about it. The governor's off. I have this all the time now, right? No cap. Let me put this joint in park. Yeah, so I have it all the time. Hey, now I'm a little nervous now. I did a couple of videos about me getting pulled over by the police and me getting arrested. I don't know, man. Jeez. Your boy might get pulled over, man. I ain't trying to. I'm scared now. Right. Anyway, excuse me, I belch. These cars coming up behind me all fast. But y'all know, dude, I don't even know where the hazard lights is. Right. Oh, it's up top. That was quick. They ain't take me long to find it. Look, I just got the car. And you know, that's the other thing, but I just got the car. I've had the car since July 17th. Okay. July 17th. August 17th. And now we're in September 4th. So I've had the car for almost 6 weeks. I only had 500 miles on it. Now, it wasn't like I didn't want to drive the car. It's just that I couldn't because I was between work and me making videos, and I had to go on vacation. So that took a lot of drive time away from what I'm trying to do. So, but anyway, 60BaeGrey. Hey, I got me a supercar. Hey, listen, we're at 504, and thank you for taking this experience with me. We're going to look at this dam. All right, 504. There it is right there, 504. And you see where the mark is. Let me see if I can zip on that. See where that 6 is, and then where that half mark is right there. Yeah, boy. Right there. Right? That's 6.5. That's doing some damage, man. So, 60BaeGrey, the real drip. No, yeah, man. Listen, man. I like you guys. Comment, like, subscribe, and share. The post notification white. That ain't right. Post notification black. It's supposed to be like that. No, yeah. Hey, talk to you more later. Hey. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip. Got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood. Ripping this mic. What? No fun. You know 60BaeGrey got that real drip. No cap, no cap, no cap. Step back, step back, step. Dropping this heat. No cap, no cap, no cap.
All you guys, all cap, all cap. I'm ripping this mic like splash, like that, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that, like that. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell him 60. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood. Ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood. Ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell him 60. Told you once and I told you twice. I'ma tell you again so you get it right. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. Got the sexy drip for y'all to stare. All y'all say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Cause 60BaeGrey got the real drip and the sexy lay. All the ladies say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood. Ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood. Ripping this mic, what? No fun.